In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link or connect Facebook Metapixel to StanStore. In order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is www.stan.store. Once you're in there, proceed to create an account by clicking onto this sign up option or clicking onto this continue option that we can see into this page. So on my case, let's proceed to actually log in instead since I already have an account. Let me click on this right here. Now here is my actual homepage. In order to link or connect your Facebook, you need to head over and click on this settings. Now from in there, it will show you your settings. Click on integrations. Now scroll down and as you can see, we have the integration for Instagram, but we don't have it for Facebook Metapixel. So what we can do, we can click on this don't see an integration. Click on this request. This will open in here this particular option or this particular window. Click on discontinue. And then after that, this will actually ask us for the kind of integration we want. So on my case, we want to actually have the Facebook Metapixel. So let's proceed to add that right here. Click on OK. And then this will ask what will this integration allow you to do. Let's choose ads. Click on OK. Choose right here if it will incur extra charge. Click on submit and then just wait for the review of if this integration can be added. So as of right now, there's no way to connect it yet, but you can also just connect your Facebook directly on your Stan Store by going over to your homepage right here and connecting your socials. And you can just proceed to connect your Instagram or your Facebook right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.